Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 3, video number 5. Here, in previous class, we have seen the various, say, uh, factors which influence the consumer behavior, or those factors which will make an impact on behavior of the consumer. So those factors we have completed. Today we shall discuss about the consumer behavior models. These modules help us to understand the way consumer behaves in the market. So let us see the consumer behavior models. An organization need to recognize and accept the consumer's feedback concerning various product features, cost, and displaying interests along with their impact on the products, developing an aggressive limit over the other products. There are two most common models, that is traditional model and contemporary model. One thing we need to remember that each and every organization need to recognize, identify and accept the consumer's feedback. Why? Because what happens is whatever consumer gives feedback related to the features of the product, cost, the displaying, arrangement, interests, all these things will make impact on products developing or the product's impact over other products. So therefore each and every organization should identify and see, or need to say identify, recognize and accept the feedback given by the consumers. So here in these consumer behavior models, there are commonly or mainly two type of models, that is traditional model and contemporary model. So let us see today the traditional models. In traditional models, there are four type. Number one, sociological model, psychoanalytical model, learning model and economic model. So now let us say begin with the understanding of economic model. Here economic model focuses on the act of purchase or average consumer and describe what a buyer would buy and in what quantity the buyer will buy. Here this model will give us an idea about the buyer, what he is going to buy and how much quantity he buys. Under the economic model of consumer behavior, buyers try to enlarge the efficiency of products based on the law of diminishing marginal utility. Here, the needs of buyers to earn utmost profit by investing a minimum amount acts as the origin for the foundation of this model. So here buyer tries to say extend the efficiency of the product. The needs of the buyer are to invest minimum amount and get maximum output from those products. So this model is known as economic model. The another model of consumer behavior in that traditional models, the second model we will be discussing about learning model. every human has an elementary desire such as food, shelter, and clothing. And the behavior of the consumer depends upon the need to, say, captive such necessary wants. The needs of a consumer decide whether he will buy a product or not. If he requires food, then he will not purchase clothes or other things, but he will postpone the idea of buying clothes. So, here this module tells us at what point of time the consumer will buy the product as per the preferences, or here the preferences will decide the product what a consumer will be purchasing or will buy. So these two modules we have seen today, that is economic model and learning model. The other two models we shall see in tomorrow's class. Till then, thank you, good day.